Hey guys, Joel Dooley here, owner of AdvantaClean, and on this episode of Mold Monday, I'm asking the timeless question, Joel, how do I prevent mold growth in my home? You'll find out next on Mold Monday. How do I prevent mold growth in my home, Joel? Hey, that's a phenomenal question. I have 4 steps to make sure you and your home are safe from mold growth. 1, regularly check your home. You always need to check for the plumbing, the HVAC, the roof, the hot water tank. The best thing to do is check those things because those 4 things a lot of times are the biggest culprits of mold growth at home. And if you see one of them leaking, get it fixed. 2, is it winter? If it is winter, I repeat, leave a faucet dripping in your home. You do not want to have a busted pipe on a Tuesday night at 9 p.m. while little Billy's trying to finish his homework and your husband's trying to get to bed. You don't want that. Leave a faucet dripping. You'll save yourself a lot of time and energy and money if it's winter and pipes are freezing. 3, check the gutters of your home. Check the drainage of your home. Check the slopes of your home. You do not, I repeat, you do not want clogged gutters. You do not want clogged drains around your house. And if your home's on a slope, you need to put drainage in. I can't stress this enough. Those 3 things can cause significant mold damage in a home. 4, and you have to do this, please. If you see water entry of your home, get it fixed. Whatever it is, get it fixed. A little water spot on your roof can quickly become a big mold spot that's affecting you and your loved one's livelihood. Hey guys, I really appreciate you tuning into this week's Mold Monday. Will the real mold mediator please stand up? Please stand up. Please stand up. Oh wait, guys, I'm already standing up. Thanks for tuning in this week, guys. My name is Joel Dooley with AdvantaClean. We're open 24/7, 365. My number is 606-331-5001. Call me anytime. I'm here to help you. Have a good week, guys.